Hello guys, today we are looking at area of a circle whereby we have been given the radius. Area of a circle is pi r squared, and we are taking pi to be 3.14. The A stands for area. Let's keep our pi here, and here said 5 squared, which we can also write it as 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. It's a perfect square, so 25. Then we'll write our pi here. If we want to bring the pi, then it's going to be 25 times 3.14 has been given. And if we do it that way, then we get 78.5. And it was a centimeter, and area is 2 dimensions, so centimeter squared. And we are done. Alright, let's look at example 2. If radius has been given as 8 inches and we want to find the area is pi r squared (8 squared). That means 8 repeated. 8 times 8 give us 64. We write it first, followed by the pi. They want us to take pi to be 3.14. So times 3.14. We multiply, then we get 200.96. And here is inch squared. So this time around, diameter has been given, but we want to solve it in radius. We know that radius is diameter divided by 2. So here 22 divided by 2, and that gives us 11 meters. The area is pi r squared, pi times 11 squared. 11 squared is 121 pi. 121 times 3.14, which gives us 379.94 meter squared. Okay, so example 4. A diameter has been given as 4 feet. So we need our radius. Radius is going to be 4 divided by 2. We got 2 feet. The area of a circle is pi radius squared, which is times 2 times 2. We got it to be 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 pi. 4 times 3.14 get 12.56 feet squared. And then, okay, please subscribe and see you in the next video.